everyone. Welcome back to Spoken English Radio. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James.
Welcome to episode 8. In the last episode, we talked about habits and routines, things that happen every day. But today, we are changing the focus.
Today we are talking about the present continuous tense.
This is the tense we use when we talk about action, things that are moving, changing, or happening right this second.
It is also called the present progressive. It's the ing tense, running, eating, sleeping.
Exactly. It brings your English to life. So just like last time, we're going to learn the rules first, and then we will go to a busy park to practice people watching.
I love people watching. Let's get started.
Okay, James, what is the golden rule for the present continuous?
The formula is subject plus to be plus verb-ing.
That to be part is very important. Many students forget it. They say, I going, or he playing. That is wrong.
Right. You must say, I am going. He is playing. We are working.
And when do we use it?
Situation number 1, right now. Example, we are recording a podcast. It is happening at this exact moment.
Situation number 2, temporary situations. Example, I am living in London for 2 months. It's not permanent, just for now.
And be careful. There is some verbs we cannot use in this tense. We call them state verbs or state of verbs.
Yes, verbs like love, like, know, or understand. You cannot say, I am liking this pizza. You must use simple present. I like this pizza.
Got it. Okay, enough rules. Let's go to the park and see what is happening.
It is such a beautiful day to sit outside.
It really is. Look at how busy the park is today. Everyone is enjoying the sunshine.
Okay, let's play a game. Tell me what people are doing right now.
Challenge accepted. Okay, look over there near the fountain. That man in the blue shirt, he is running very fast.
Oh, I see him. He looks tired. And look next to him. That woman is walking her dog. But the dog is not walking. He is chasing a squirrel.
That poor squirrel is climbing the tree to escape.
What about those teenagers on the grass? What are they doing?
It looks like they're filming a video, maybe a TikTok dance.
Yeah, the girl in the pink jacket is dancing, and the guy is holding the phone. They are laughing a lot.
I feel old. I don't understand TikTok. Anyway, Sarah, what about you? What are you reading these days?
This is a temporary situation use. Well, right now, I am reading a mystery novel. It's very scary. I'm also learning how to cook Italian food.
Really? That explains why you're bringing pasta to work every day.
Exactly. What about you? Are you working on any new projects?
Yes, I'm renovating my kitchen. It is a nightmare. There's dust everywhere, so we are eating at restaurants every night this week.
Wow, look, it's starting to rain.
Oh no, the runner is stopping. The teenagers are running for cover.
And we're getting wet. Let's go inside. We escaped the rain. That was a perfect example of present continuous. Let's look at the verbs we used.
First, we describe the action in the part. The man is running. The dog is chasing a squirrel. The teenagers are dancing.
Notice the helper verbs. Is for one person, he is, and are for many people, they are.
Then we talked about temporary habits. Sarah said, I am reading a mystery novel.
This doesn't mean I am reading it right this second. It means I'm in the middle of the book these days.
And I said, I am renovating my kitchen. This is a project happening around this time.
Finally, notice the spelling changes. Run becomes running, double N. Dance becomes dancing. Drop the E.
Spelling is tricky. We put a spelling chart in the description for you.
So, listeners, look around you right now. What is happening?
Where are you sitting? Who is talking? What are you eating?
For your homework, write one sentence in the comments describing your current situation using the present continuous.
Example, I am watching YouTube and drinking tea.
Please like this episode and subscribe to Spoken English Radio.
It really helps more learners to find us.
Thanks for listening to Spoken English Radio.
We're signing off now. See you next time.
Keep learning. Watch the next recommended videos to improve your English.